On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp call reconnecting problem easily and fast. So first thing you have to do to fix this problem is you have to go to settings and then go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again. Now go back to the settings, go to the apps manager, go to apps. Now right here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Search for WhatsApp and then click on it like this. Click on force stop and now go down, click on the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.